So the main purpose of these electric ratchets is for quick fastening. Like just, it's not for torquing. Actually, the torque specs on this is 1 Newton meter. So it's not, don't expect this to automatically like snug down your nuts and bolts. It's for for speed, loosening and fastening. And then if you need to, so for example, you just get the nut down and then you lift off and then you crank it like a ratchet to tighten it, to get it nice and tight, using your own, you know, torque from your hand. And same with loosening these things. So it's just for repetitive work and long nut or long bolts, getting a nut on a long bolt or something like that. So it's not a torque wrench. It's not an electric torque wrench. It's an electric cordless wrench.